I have a question before on strategy. You hear a lot of traders, they start with ICT, they go to SMC, they go to many other strategies.
Yeah.
When you start, do you encourage hopping or trying one for a certain period of time? How do you guide a trader to pick one strategy, for example, a simple one, and then try it to its, I would say, optimum level to know its SWOT analysis, and then decide? How do you come to decide one is enough?
That is a very good question. And I'm really happy you asked. Many people lose a lot of money in this market because of jumping from one strategy to another, to another, to another. I don't need that. Since I started my course, my mentor taught me about price action. Till today, I'm trading with price action. I never looked anything else.
All roads lead to price action.
Nothing else. If you tell me ICT, smart money, market structure, it's up to you. I will say, thank you. It's working for you. Good for you. Now, me, price action is working for me. I don't need to look around. Because at the end of the day, JCM, what we looking?
Money.
What we after? Money. If I'm making money, why should I jump to another thing? Okay, I can tell you, and I will tell all my students, if support and resistance is working for you and you're making money, go for it. Don't listen to anything else.
Keep at it.
If the trend line only, you go to high time frame, put the trend line. If the price cross that trend line and give you confirmation, enter and making money, stick with it. If you're trading pure price action with candlesticks only and you're making money, stick with it. Do not listen to the noise around you. That's why it's a very good question you ask. If you need to really succeed in financial markets, stick with one plan, one rule, and you will get what you want.
Okay. I think that really covers a bit of trading psychology, and I think FX is one of those strenuous to your mental health. I'd like to move into 2024 stocks. I know you invest in a couple of them, and do you normally trade them or you buy?
I invest. My students trade on options.
Okay. How has the year been for you financially? I mean, not financial, but rather in the financial markets. How would you rate 2024?
Amazing. Wonderful year.
Okay. What would it be, I would say, some of the highlights and some of the, I would say, downsides of the
Okay. As you know, we are coming out from the bear market 2022 to the beginning of 2023. It was very painful. We really went through very painful process. It was, everyone was saying everything is crashing, stock is crashing, crypto is crashing. We were so worried. But the good thing is, what I teach my students is fundamental analysis, technical analysis, sentiment analysis. When it comes to crypto, on-chain analysis. When you combine all this and you put in one pot, you can figure out what's going on. Okay? So yes, it was very painful, but it was a learning curve too. We learned a lot. This was my first time I witnessed bear market in crypto. Okay? It was very interesting to me. I learned a lot.
I'll tell you
a lot of exchanges gonna have a market like FTX, Luna crashed. All these disasters were happening. We learned. It was very painful, Roof. Go ahead.
In the last cycle, remember when Bitcoin hit 69K?
Yeah.
There was all these euphoria, market analysts, bankers, all saying it's going to 100K. So I got $2,000 pumped in at 69K. Few weeks later, I bought right at the top. So I had a question, should I convert to USDT and wait for the market to bottom? I said, no. If I break my rules, I'm going to break them again.
Okay.
Well, I held through the entire cycle, all the way down. Then, was it last month when we got to 69K?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was like, wait.
So he has been suffering for a while.
Reflect back on the bad memory.
Yeah, that was tough.
Interesting. With the US election that we just had, I know a lot of crypto enthusiasts are happy. Were you pro-Trump or you are like whoever wins?
Absolutely pro-Trump. Absolutely.
Okay.
Because the reason I'm saying that, because when you see the circle that around the market, Donald Trump, you will see they were all pro-crypto. Elon Musk, Atkins, all of them. They will say like, okay, if these guys are involved and they paying a lot of money for the campaign for the Trump, and Trump was saying publicly, I'm pro crypto. Then why not? Because we have a lot of money invested in crypto, okay? And we need huge return from our money. As you said, Aruf said, we suffered a lot back in back days. So we need a lot of money to make. And this was the first time we witnessed bear market and bull market. And that's why we are so happy Trump was elected. And after that, what happened? The skyrocket in the prices of BTC, stock market, everything pumped. Tesla pumped hugely, 200%. So that's why Trump was good in the financial market, and he will be good in the financial market. And I think 2025 will be another good year too.
Okay. Yeah. You reckon that, with some of for me, I'm worried about tariffs. I know I've said this a lot because I think some assets will benefit from it, but to some degree, maybe the small caps will suffer a lot initially. They might recover maybe 2026, 2027. So as an investor in the stock market, are you now concentrating on a few that will benefit, or you are still practicing, is it value investing, or in your case, price action?
Two things I invest in stock market. Number one, electronics and high technologies companies.
Okay.
Number two, because I'm in crypto, I'm investing Marathon Digital on the Riot platform, which are mining companies. You see how I play? This is a mining companies. If the BTC price rise and crypto pumped, the mining companies will pump too. So I'm getting both benefits out of the stock and the crypto too.
Okay.
So you have to diversify your portfolio.
To some degree, this will sound like a Bitcoin episode.
Amazing.
At 100K. Now, 2025, you said it will be a good year based on, some of the things we are looking to see, with now Trump coming in, hopefully the Middle East and the Eastern European issue will be settled down. Are there maybe something that you are maybe giving your traders, for example, those who are not there in the previous Trump era, or fundamentally, how to adjust not only their mental, but also their strategy to the upcoming political change and everything? How do you guide them at least on this?
Euphoria, as I said, Ruth, a lot of people came to crypto now. As I said last night, my team didn't sleep. They were up. I closed the room 11 in the morning. I said, guys, you have to go to sleep because get rest. They were so happy to see BTC surpassed 100K. And we were all thrilled to see that. Because we waited so long to get this. Okay. But I always tell them, stay away from market. If you are new and you want to invest in this financial market, whether it's stock market, whether in crypto, please stay away from it. Wait the correction. Wait the correction, because the market will correct. Eventually, market is heated. It's overpulled. Overpulled. And so it's overheated. We don't put money in. As he said, Ruth, at 69, he put money in. That was wrong. So we don't want to end up people putting money now and then they become what? Exit liquidity. Okay, to the big sharks. Okay, we avoid that. I always tell them, don't be exit liquidity. Wait for the correction. Market will give you another opportunity to invest.
Okay.
So my advice to everyone will be patient, hold your horses. Market will correct, and you have a chance to invest.
Interesting. Do you have perhaps some books or some channels whereby you would recommend to traders who are trying to build on their trading psychology or even just their financial knowledge?
Well, I don't have any books yet, but we have Trading Flow.
No, the ones that you have read that you would recommend.
Michael Douglas, Trading in Zones, Trading Psychology, and I recommend another book called How to Make a Day Trader, Dr. Aziz, which is another good book to read. Really, if you go and read, if you are trading, you need to read a lot of books. Especially psychology books, Trading in Zones and Michael Douglas books. Mark Douglas is amazing. If you follow him, if you listen to him, if you read his books, you will be good in trading.
That's the best book I've ever read in Forex.
Trading in the Zone.
Trading in the Zone.
Okay.
Though there's also the Jack Schwager book. What do you call it? Unknown Market Wizards. You really explore and see different types of traders and how they approach the markets.
You're just ignoring my namesake, Jesse Livermore.
Amazing.
Reminiscence of a stock operator.
Next time we'll comment that.
Ahmed, thank you very much for gracing us with your presence. You were saying that you have an academy or something like that?
When I came to Kenya, I realized to have a trading floor.
Yeah.
Because I moved back to Kenya.
Okay.
So since I moved back to Kenya, instead of having my own station by myself, I said myself, why don't you were teaching people online the last 4 years? Why don't you have a physical offline class, which will have well-equipped, Western standard, have everything in place and teach everything.
Okay.
So, and we have a school in Kimathi Street, Lyric House, 6th floor.
Okay.
And it's open. Anyone can come and visit us.
Okay.
We have a YouTube, AJ Tech Solutions. We have TikTok,
Okay.
which is another AJ Tech Solutions. You can follow. There's a few lectures. I put in every class I give, 6-7 minutes of it on YouTube.
Okay.
Just for learning purpose.
Okay.
Okay. They can go and benefit from it.
Where do you see in your observation, I like to ask this because I think compared to 2014 when Forex was getting, known in Kenya and where it is now, and with the involvement of people like you in terms of education, different sort of introduction to the Forex market, do you see it improving over time? Do you see this becoming like a business for other people, something like that? And based on your interaction with, different categories of people in the society, how do you see the Forex market being perceived? Because normally you've heard of scamming, all these guys.
Yeah.
How is the process on your education level? What is the sentiment like?
Well, if we focus on be honest, okay, number one, because a lot of people scammed.
Yeah.
Many people come to my office every single day and they will tell they've been scammed.
Yeah.
Why? Because people are looking get rich quick schemes. Okay, they give out money, 100K, 200K Kenyan shilling, 400K Kenyan shilling, and they will get return what? 300, 400 Kenyan shillings.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? It doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Someone invests in 450K Kenyan shilling, which is almost 300 USD,
Yeah.
3,500 USD, and then they're giving out handouts like $3 a day.
Yeah.
Is that really worth it? No. So I see people, why they get scammed? Because they're so greedy. They don't want to put time and effort and learn.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why they look in shortcuts. There's no shortcuts. If you want to succeed in financial markets, learn, allow the process, everything else will come to your way. So the way I see it, if they have a genuine people who are right mentor to mentor them how to trade from these financial markets, how to invest in this financial market, there's abundance of money in the financial markets. There's no any other industry will give you a huge return as the financial market will give you. And you can make your financial freedom as quick as possible. But you have to allow the process, get the right mentorship, and then avoid something is called shortcuts.
Yes.
Allow the process. You can continue.
So when you're not trading, like once you've hit your daily target, what are you doing outside trading?
Well, if I'm not trading, I go to gym because I have my daily activity in place. Every day is written. I have my targets to achieve. So if I'm not trading, once I'm done with trading, people think like if you are a full-time trader, you're glued to the screen. Okay?
True.
Absolutely. That's a fatigue itself. You can't do that. I don't want to be part of that. When we are traders, we are trading few hours of our day. The rest of the days, we have other things in life. We go to gym, we have family issues, we take time spend time with them. We go other business meetings. We do a lot of things outside of the trading. Means trading, it doesn't mean that I'm a full-time trader. That means I don't want to stay and staring screens 24/7. It doesn't work that way. It's fatigue, it's tiring, and it's not good to your health.
I think that's pretty important, especially in trading psychology, that you don't get two separate brains. The same brain that you're using in trading, the same that you're using in other stuff. And of course, if you're doing gym that requires discipline, then it will translate into your trading. So last question, are you a fan of the EPL, English Premier League?
Well, yes, I used to watch a lot, but as I came to financial markets, everything gone out of the window. I'm telling you. Why? When you learn a lot from the psychology and when you read a lot of books, you will learn like time is the most precious thing you have. So I don't want to waste it. I only waste my time something will give me a return in life. Either I go to gym to build myself and my health, either I spend quality of time with my family, or trading, make money, or teaching people. That's my life now.
Which team did you support?
Arsenal.
I understand why. It all comes full circle.
Yeah, I understand how
Yeah.
it
The last 14 years have not been good.
Absolutely.
And if I had another 6 years,
Arsenal
makes
is
sense.
becoming like in the academy, which we build players and we sell.
yeah,
which is not-
it all makes sense. You know, Arsenal fans, when they quit football, they become philosophical. But this is just bad.
That's the reason that I don't watch football anymore. You know, the back in days, the Vieira and
Yeah.
Thierry and all.
Yeah.
This is the golden era of Arsenal.
Yeah.
That's the time I really enjoyed football.
Yeah.
Yes.
But nowadays, I don't watch anymore.
For us, we are Chelsea fans. And, we'd like to say we are cooking.
Yeah. That's always.
You're not even better than Arsenal anyway. So
So you have been following just passively.
yeah, absolutely. Because because I have my phone all the time. They come, notifications coming on my phone.
No problem.
Yeah.
We'll definitely try to make sure that by next year, June, we have recorded a couple just to keep evidence so that by the end of the season, we catch you.
Amazing.
Thank you very much, Ahmed. Maybe closing remarks. Should you have any?
Yeah, and my closing remarks would be: if you are new in financial markets, follow 4 steps. Number 1, education, learn knowledge. 2, discipline. 3, patient. 4, risk management. If you master those 4 skills, you will be good in trading.